Good morning, Governanda. Congratulations to all. We are all are promoted 8th standard to 9th standard. Welcome to Maths class. 9th standard Maths. The first lesson is set language. First, we are going to discuss set. The set definition is a set is a well-defined collection of object. Well-defined collection of object. These two words are keyword of the definition. Yes, it is a well-defined collection of object. Well-defined means must be possible to decide the value. Okay, must be possible values only. Then the object means represent members, elements or things, etc. Okay, this is possible only. This is members, elements and etc. Okay. So example of set is the collection of prime number. Collection of prime number, the prime numbers already defined. This is a possible. Okay. The collection of prime numbers are already defined. Collection of prime numbers. What is the prime number definition? That number is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. You have already the definition. It's a possible. Okay. Then the object. The numbers are the objects. Okay. Next example. The collection of all colors in the rainbow. Collection of all colors in the rainbow. Okay. You have 7 colors. UGR, the short form of colors. It's already defined. What are the colors are exist in the rainbow? Okay. This is defined. So this is set examples. Another one example, the collection of all books in your school library. Okay. So already number of books are counted to a librarian. So this is already defined. The object is a book. Okay, these all are examples of set. Okay, then suppose the given example is not a set. What are the examples? That also I am told. Beautiful flowers, collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. Garden. Okay, so beautiful. If you feel one is the beautiful, somebody shall feel another one is the beautiful. So not difficult to agree the result. This is not a set. Okay. And also so good students in your class. Okay. This is also difficult to agree. So this is also not a set. Okay. This is a set definition and with the examples. Next, we have discussed set notations. Okay. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of the English alphabets. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of English alphabets. A, B, C, or P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Okay, so capital letters only denote the set. Then the elements of the set is written within the curly bracket. Elements of the set written within the curly bracket. This is called curly bracket. It's a curly bracket. Or somebody is told it's a set bracket. Okay, because a set represent in the curly bracket. So this is a curly bracket. So elements of the set written within the curly bracket. Okay, example. So set A, consider the set A. 4, 5, 6, so that's all. So the elements right within the curly bracket. Okay, so set is denoted the capital letters of English alphabets A. Okay, next X is an element of A. One more notation we learn here. X is an element of A. This can be right. X belongs to A. This is called belongs to. Belongs to. Okay. It's like you write. And how you read belongs to. Okay, x belongs to A. Okay, x is not an element. Have you right? X is not an element. That means x does not belongs to A. To make a cross line on the belongs to. This is does not. X does not belongs to A. This is x is not an element of A example. Okay. This slide we see now one example. Consider a set 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now I write 2 dash A and using the notation example, and 4 is dash A, then 6 is dash A. Fill in the blanks. 2 is belongs to A. 2 is contained in A. So 2 is belongs to. Simple using notation using method. So 2 belongs to A. Here 4 is belongs to A. So belongs to A. But 6 does not belongs to A. So 5 up to 5 only having. So 6 does not belongs to A. Okay. So 7. Suppose I take number 1. This is belongs to or does not belongs to A. This does not belongs to A. Does not appear in the set A in 1. Okay. That's all. This is a notation. Okay. Next discuss representation of a set. Representation of a set. It has a 3 form, namely descriptive form. The first one is a descriptive form. The second one set builder form or rule form. The second form has a 2 name. The first name is set builder form or rule name. The third one is a roster form or tabular form. Okay, these are 3 forms as representation of a set. The descriptive form, set builder form, roster form. Okay, first descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in word. Here appear only words. In descriptive form, described by a word. The example: the set of all vowels in English alphabets. English alphabets. Okay, so this is described in the word. This slide given the question. This is the form of descriptive form. The set of all vowels in English alphabets. Next one. Set of all whole numbers. Whole numbers. This slide we take any examples of descriptive form. So, what is the descriptive form? Described in the word. Okay, very clear. Next, set builder form. Here, describe all the elements by the rule. Okay, so here making a one rule. So, the rule is, let us take the same example. Set of all vowels in English alphabets. Set of all whole numbers. Okay. Set builder form method. The second one. Here form the rule. Okay. So A. Let accept A X by the rule. So X such that X is a vowels in English alphabets. So X is defined first. Next, what is the X? X is the vowels in English alphabets. This is the rule method. The second one also. Let B set of all x such that the 2 dot represents such that. This read as such that. Okay. Such that x such that x is the vowel set of all vowels. X is a whole number. The first one is a vowels, the second one is a whole number. X such that x is a vowels in English alphabets. Next side B is equal to set of all x such that x is a whole numbers. Okay, this is a set builder form. Okay, so by the rule, operating by the rule. So x is defined first. The third one is the roster form. All elements are described in a listing method. Okay, all the elements of the set described by the listing method. Listing. Let's list out the answers. Okay, third one. So consider the same example. Set of all vowels in English alphabets. Let's take A. This is listed, described by the listing. So list out the answers. Set of all vowels in English alphabets. Already you learn your English class. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are the vowels in English alphabets. So write in the list out the answer. A, E, I, O, U. That's all the answer. This is a roster form. Listing the answer. This is a roster form. Next, set of all whole numbers. B is equal to set of all whole numbers. Whole numbers starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The 3 dot mentioned and so on, and also ellipse. Ellipses. Okay, ellipses. This is a 3 dot represent ellipses or and so on. Okay. Representation of set. It has a 3 form: descriptive form, set builder form, roster form. 3 form. These are the examples of the 3 forms. Okay. Now we are going to exercise 1.1. Before start, once again explain all the 3 forms. Representation of set. Okay. The first one is the descriptive form, second one set builder form, the third one is the roster form. We have discussed already the examples of 3 form. And also the set definition. Well defined collection of object is a set. Okay. So the first question, which of the following are set? Which of the following are set? So set definition already you learned. That is well defined collection of object. Okay. Consider the sum. The first sum, the collection of prime numbers up to 100. This is already defined. Prime numbers up to 100. To 125 prime numbers are up here. So this is already defined. This is a collection of prime numbers. So it is set. Next, the collection of rich people in India. Collection of rich people in India. So the word is designed to difficult, because if you feel rich on people, somebody are told another one people are rich. So here not valued depend upon one condition. Okay. Here also difficult to agree on. Okay. So the collection of rich people in India is not a set. Because this is not able to define. Okay, next one. Third, the collection of all rivers in India. Collection of all rivers in India. Okay, so all rivers are already collected. Okay, so this is defined. So defined collection of value is a set. So the collection of all rivers in India is set. It is also set. Next, the fourth one, the collection of good hockey player. good hockey player. So good. This is also difficult to agree the word good, because I consider one person is good means you may not. Okay, so the good hockey player represent, the good represent does not be a set. Because I consider one players are good, you may not. So this is not a set. Okay, this is the first 4 questions answers. Okay, the next question. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. In roster form. So already I told. So roster form is the listing form. Okay, list out the answers. So now decide on set A. Set of all, list out the letters. India. So I, N, D, I. So already appear I once in the set. So don't want to write again. So omitting this one. Next A. That's all. This is a roster form of given word. The next word is a parallelogram. So this is for B, set B. So write one by one. P, A, R, A. A is also already appear. Then L, L once again. So omitting this one. Then E. L we already write. Then O. G, R, R already written. So A already also write. So M, the last one, M. That's all. This is the roster form of given word, parallelogram. Okay. The next word is a Mississippi. So set, define the set C. The set all are usually denoted the capital letters of English alphabets. C. Then M. First one. M. I. S. S repeatedly given. So this is one. Next I we already write. Then S. S also write. S right. I written. So then P. Then once again exists the P. So omitting this one also. I already write. Okay, that's all for this answer. So roster form. The last one, Czechoslovakia. So Czechoslovakia, this is set D. Let us take set D. Start write the roster form. C. E set. Then E. C. So me already write. Then H. Next letter O. Next one S. Then L. O already written. Then V. A. The next K. I. A already right. Okay, that's all. It's a roster form of Czechoslovakia. Okay, that's all. It's a roster form. Okay, dear students, next we have discussed the third sum. Consider the following set. The set A is equal to set of all 0, 3, 5, 8. And B is equal to set of all 2, 4, 6, 10. And C is equal to set of all 12, 14, 18, 20. So now given by 3 sets value. Okay. The question is state whether true or false. The questions all are true or false. Yes or no type question. Okay. We already learned the notation. Okay. What are the notations are used? The belongs to and the capital letters of the simple, and the elements of the sets all are in small letters. Okay. 18 belongs to C. It's true or not. Consider the C set. 18 is appear in the set C. So it is true. Next. 6 does not belongs to A. Okay, and I read this one. Does not belongs to A. So the question is not appear 6 in A. So consider the set A. Here not appear also. Okay, the two statements are true. So this is also true. Next one. 14 does not belongs to C. So consider the set C. 14. 14 is belongs to C. But here given 14 does not belongs to C. So it is false. Next one. The fourth question. 10 belongs to B. 10. So 10. 10 belongs to B. Is correct or not? Is it true? Okay. So it is also true. Next, the fifth question. 5 belongs to B. So write all are represent the set B. 5 belongs to B. Consider the set B. 5 any appear? No. So here does not be appear the 5. So does not belongs to B is the correct. So it is false. Okay. Next, 0 belongs to B. B. Once again consider the set B. Here appear 0 or not? It's not. So does not belongs to 0 in B. Okay. So it is false. 0 belongs to B. It's not. Does not belongs to B. Okay. That's all. This is a true or false question. Next, fill in the blanks. So it's the same, handling the same sets A, B, C. 3 belongs to which set? So now consider all the 3 sets. So 3 appears in set A. Here B and C not having the number 3. So 3 belongs to A only. Then 14 belongs to which set? Consider the sets. 14 C. 14 attain the set C. So 14 is belongs to C. So 14 is belongs to C. Next, here want to write the simple, the notation. Okay. So 18 dash B. So what symbol are using here? 18 appear or not? So in case appear, use the symbol of belongs to. It's not appear means does not belongs to, here used. Okay. 18 does not belongs to B. So simple does not belongs to B. Next, 4 dash B. 4. The right side is represent the set. So now also consider the set B. So 4 appears or not? So 4 is occurring in the set B. So it is belongs to B. So 4 belongs to B. Have you understood? The question is yes or no, and another one is filling the blanks. Okay, so for now up to we have learned first 3 sums. Okay, so we work out the corresponding examples also in your home. Okay, thank you. God bless you. We will discuss the next class another topic.